Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In our last video, we had ended it in our hotel room after showing you small gifts that we had taken from the shop. And today is right the day after that, and it's a fresh morning, and we are here downstairs once again to take our breakfast. You already know what's on the menu. It was just the same things, only that some of the dishes were exchanged. And so we did not take much of it because it would be pretty boring for you to look at it. So we just moved on to our next destination. We did check out from our hotel because today it was our last day, and today we were before going back home, we wanted to visit one last place that we had to visit, or we would feel so mad at us ourselves that why did not we visit that place, because this place is amazing. That's all, just one word to describe this place: amazing. It is so clean, and of course it is so beautiful. There, I just can't explain it with words. My English vocabulary is not that big to explain it with words. It's just so amazing. The only thing that I can do is show you guys around. Just look at it. It feels like a big hotel, but it's a mosque. And this is actually not the mosque. I'm sorry. Here it was like a shopping center, and in here we were here for the tickets. Like we had to get our tickets before we go into the mosque. There were like so many different brands and many shops in this place. So it was like a shopping center in here where you can buy many different things. There were like gift stores and many things, like just like a mall. Like in a mall, when you can find so many stores, this place is just like that. As you can see, all the big brands and small brand, I mean, brands just like the shops and everything is there. You can just find it. And people were like buying certain things, and they were also having food and drinks. And here we were waiting until our parents were getting like the tickets for us. Just like I told, that we had to get tickets for getting inside the mosque, and now after we have got our tickets, we are going towards the mosque. There was a lot to walk, and finally we are here. Just look at it. It was pretty hot outside, but once we entered the mosque, ac AC was everywhere, so it was fine for us. We did not feel that much hot. And the Sheikh Zayed Mosque is like the largest, the Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi. It is the largest mosque in whole UAE. So of course it was enormous, and there was like a big, like a pond, not actually a pond, like a big lake, not lake. What do you call this? But anyway, a big lake, I would call it pond, a big pond like thing in front of the mosque, and the water was just making it more. It was just making it shine. This was from inside, and each tile and everything was clean, and no litter was around. It was just so beautiful. It was amazing. People were everywhere to guide us around, and from here there were two paths, one to the men's side of the mosque for prayer and the other one to the women's. Here we were going to the women's prayer room take to take like our prayer. We wanted to take our prayer in the mosque, so we were just going. And this was the mosque from like the courtyard, Adam, like the center of the mosque. This was from all the four sides. And inside, there were also inside ways from there. Don't worry, we'll also show that. Here we were from another corner, and whichever corner you look at it, it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. That's all. The pillars were also like decorated with this simple design. It was so simple, the flower design, but it suits it. It's so suited. It's just like so beautiful. They chose like the perfect design. I don't think anything else will make it any better. This is already perfect. And here also just the same thing. Here that chandelier looks so beautiful, but like it was so pretty, but I did not like it that much. I had seen much more beautiful chandelier, but this was, of course, definitely, I'm not telling it's not beautiful, but it was so good, just not like my choice. And the carpet, the big carpet that was like on the floor, all the history about the carpet. And in here we were just getting out because we had done our prayer, and now we were about to go and leave, and we were done visiting our last destination. We had to walk a lot. Instead of that, we just took this taxi type thing, I guess so, like a taxi type thing, and it took us all the way to like the taxi station where it stopped. And we here first, before that, this was the look from outside the whole masjid. Yeah, so I was telling, this was our last destination, and after this we're just going to go back home, and that will be the end of our Abu Dhabi trip for now. But still, until we go back home, let us enjoy ourselves each and every moment. We were just going back again inside this mall type thing where there are so many gift items and you can buy. We didn't want to buy anything, that's all. And then we just left for home. And in between, of course, it was so late when we were almost reaching our home, so we stopped here for taking our lunch. And like always, this video is getting really long, so we have to stop right here. But no problem, because in our next video we are going to start and catch up everything right from here. Before that, I'll just quickly tell our menu. We had like some momos and biryani and like some prawn curry. That's all we have, but we'll surely catch everything up in our next video. Until then, bye bye, masalama.